Hi y'all, it's Miss Rebecca from the Culpeper County Library Youth Services Department, and I have today a special assistant with me. Can you tell them your name? This is Lily. Lily is my granddaughter, and how old are you, Lily? She's 3 years old, and she's going to help us with our experiment today. Today we're going to talk about pollution. Lily, do you know what pollution is? What happens when you pollute something? Make it what? Dirty, right? So today we're going to talk about how things that we do makes our water dirty. And we don't want to do that. Lily, look at our water here. Would you drink this water?
No.
Why not?
Because it's dirty.
No, it's not dirty. I would drink it because it's nice and clear. It's nothing wrong with this water. We just filled it up, right, with the hose? Yeah. So I would drink this water. I think it's very clean. But did it taste good?
Yeah.
Yes, because it's clean water. Now, sometimes humans, though, can do things that might not be good for our earth, right? This is the water cycle. Do you know that the sun comes out and it evaporates some water from earth and it goes up into the clouds, and when those clouds get full, what happens?
Rain!
It rains. We have precipitation. Sometimes it's ice, sometimes it's snow, sometimes it's rain. Wait, we're not going to use those yet. Now, we're going to talk about how we humans make water dirty. Have you ever had a banana and you thought maybe you'd eat it in the car and that it would be okay to just throw the banana peel out the window? Have you ever thought you'd do that?
No.
No, because that's polluting. But we're going to put it in our water today because somebody might forget and actually do it. Can you put it in the water for me? All right. Does that look nice in the water? No. All right, sometimes we drink a water bottle, maybe if we're at a soccer game and we don't have our regular water bottle, they give us one of these plastic ones, and we forget and we leave it on the soccer field. Should we leave it laying around?
No.
Well, let's throw it in the water. That's pollution, right?
Yeah.
All right, how about if we had a napkin and the wind was blowing at our picnic and the napkin got blown away? What would happen?
It will explosion.
It would be a pollution. Put it in. There it goes. Uh-oh, yep. Now, how about if Daddy was changing the oil in the car and it leaked all over the driveway and then it rained? What would happen? Oh, an ant. Yeah, he's getting on now action. What would happen if we accidentally got oil? Oh no, look at that. Oh, that's terrible, huh? That's a lot of pollution. Next, your mommy changed Jack's diaper and she forgot and left it laying beside the car and it got blown away and into the lake or stream. Uh-oh, that's pollution. And then I was drinking a ginger ale and I said, oh, I'm going to just leave this right here for a minute, and I forgot about it. What would happen if we put it in the water? Oh, pollution, right? Now, the last thing we had is we took out our trash and we forgot to lock down the lid, and some raccoons got in our trash and got all of the coffee grounds and all of that trash all over our yard. And it got, it saw coffee and it got into the water. Now look now, after we forgot and made some mistakes, would you drink this water now?
No.
It would be yucky, wouldn't it? It's too polluted. Well, let's see. You know, sometimes we're like, well, we forgot, but we can clean it up. Would you help me clean up the pollution out of our water? Now, you got to try to get the things out. Can you try to get the water bottle out? Oh, we got the diaper out. Let's clean it up. All right, what else? And even these plastic bags are awful because those blow around. Here you go, put it in our bag. And they pollute our earth, especially our water. Gets lots of plastic in it. All right, let's get one of these. Can you get it? Maybe take your hand and try to get this. Can you get this? Get the water bottle? Oh, there it goes. All right, now can we get all of this oil and coffee out of there? Can we get it?
There's a leak.
Are we able to get all of it, Lily? No. Look at the water now. We've cleaned up almost everything that we can out of the water, but we can't get it back clean like it was, right? So we wouldn't be able to drink this. So what I need you to do, boys and girls, is to talk about pollution at your house and how to keep our world clean. Because all of the water from lakes and streams runs straight into the ocean, and the ocean has lots of animals, and those animals are impacted by all this dirty water. So we need to try to keep it clean at our houses. So until next time, Lily and I will see you. Just keep your earth clean. Thanks.